Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to get to different boards the fastest way. So how to actually build your structures in Monopoly Go the easiest, the fastest, and get the most process in the least amount of time. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of bonuses going, the Blessed Feast and some different stuff, but I collected a lot of dice in the last few days. Now, to actually use the most out of these dice is have a bonus running in the top like so, and from there set the multiplier to the max, because once I hit something like this, everything goes times 20 and you get so much quicker through all the new buildings. Like as you can see, I get 1.4 million from just one train on the board. Now, and as you can see, the bonuses also go times 20, so this is really fast. And as you can see, I'm already rushing through the bonus, which gives me another 220 dice. And as you can see right here, it gives me another 20, and from there I can just go and skip the process and go really fast. This is a very easy, and as you can see, I already got another bonus and another bonus and another bonus. Now from here, make sure to also upgrade your buildings in the time being. Just rush through it, and from here you can process really fast through the entire game. It's a very nice strategy. Just make sure to have a lot of dice, and from there dice will keep coming back if you use the 20 multiplier. Now, if you still got any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will try to do my very best to help you. But most importantly, thank you for watching.